Finally, we come to our part 6, which is shock. This is the finale. The definition is, shock is a state of systemic hypoperfusion due to reduced cardiac output or reduced effective circulating blood volume. It results in cellular hypoxia. Classification of shock. Shock is classified as follows. Cardiogenic shock. It occurs due to pump failure. The reason lies within the heart. The causes are myocardial infarction or arrhythmia. Hypovolemic shock. It is due to the loss of fluid or blood. It is seen in hemorrhage or severe burns. Septic shock. It is due to systemic microbial infection, usually the gram-negative bacilli. The mechanism is bacteria release endotoxins, lipopolysaccharides, which leads to activation of macrophages, causing cytokine storm, tumor necrosis factor, and interleukin-1. This leads to systemic vasodilation and vascular leakage, causing hypotension. Stages of shock. Non-progressive or compensated stage, where reflex mechanisms activate, baroreceptors, renin-angiotensin system, and the perfusion to vital organs, that is heart or brain, is maintained. Clinical findings are tachycardia and cool skin. Progressive stage. The tissue hypoperfusion begins. Aerobic respiration switches to anaerobic glycolysis, leading to lactic acidosis. Arterioles dilate, blood pools. Then the third one is irreversible stage. Severe cellular injury takes place, lysosomal enzymes leak. Even if you fix hemodynamics now, the patient will not survive. Acute tubular necrosis in kidneys is common here. Vertical integration with medicine and pharmacology. Septic shock treatment. We fight the cytokine storm and vasodilation with fluids and vasopressors like noradrenaline. In DIC or disseminated intravascular coagulation, which is a complication of shock, especially septic, you bleed and clot at the same time. Let's integrate this with anatomy. The blood supply. Understanding end arteries in the kidney explains why kidney infarcts are white. Hemodynamic disorders are about balance. Fluid balance, edema. Blood flow balance, congestion, hyperemia. Clotting balance, thrombosis. Perfusion balance, causing shock. Read the morphology boxes in Robbins, especially for nutmeg liver, lines of Zahn, and red versus white infarcts. These are high-yield image-based questions. I've created a high-yield PDF cheat sheet of all these tables and flowcharts. The link is in the description. Good luck studying.